Picked up an E0001 file for a Brother embroidery machine and need to access the design? This is a sequenced embroidery file from Brother Sewing Systems. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these Brother embroidery files. Avoid future frustration. Download a dedicated, non-proprietary file viewer. These tools are masters at ignoring small E0001 errors. Take a shortcut and download now. E0001 files are embroidery design files used by Brother sewing and embroidery machines as part of multi-file embroidery design sequences. They contain stitch data, thread color information, and machine commands for executing complex embroidery designs that span multiple files for large or color-intensive patterns. E0001 files use a proprietary binary format developed by Brother containing stitch coordinates, thread change commands, and machine control instructions. The numbered extension indicates sequential files in a multi-part embroidery design, with each file representing a portion of the overall pattern for sequential machine processing. The initial software setup links the E0001 file directly to Brother PE Design by Brother. The embedded data needs a specialized parser to be read correctly. Windows lacks the ability to visualize embroidery formats, requiring dedicated design software. We are performing a vital check of your system's software. Right-click your E0001 file and choose Open with. Test with Brother PE Design first. If it's missing, select another program. The fix is often a simple compatibility swap. When your E0001 file does not open, it is usually a small issue. The file is winning so far. Time to fight back. Let's quickly run through a series of focused tests on these common E0001 failure areas. First, opening an embroidery software. Use embroidery design software like Wilcom Embroidery Studio, Brother PE Design, or Embroidery to open E0001 files. These applications display the stitch pattern, allowing preview editing and conversion. Load the file through the import or open function, selecting the appropriate Brother embroidery format. Next, sending to Brother machines. Transfer E0001 files to Brother embroidery machines via USB drive, direct connection, or proprietary card systems. The machine reads the stitch data and executes the embroidery design. Ensure all sequenced files E0001, E0002X are present together for complete pattern execution. Finally, converting to other formats. Use embroidery format converters like Embroidery or Buzz tools to convert E0001 files to other embroidery formats such as PES, DST, or JEF. This enables use with non-Brother embroidery machines or alternative design software. Conversion preserves stitch data and color information for consistent design output. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.